is okay. We're gonna have another session this evening. First of all, I will make sure that I don't have any makeup on. This is a Botanical Effects Refreshener Toner. It really kicks up the skin, and it also makes me ensure that I have nothing on my skin, you can see. But it gives that kind of astringent, that kind of kick to the face, I guess, to get the blood flowing. Yeah, so it gives me that kind of tingly feel to it. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is the oil mattifier. I have very oily skin, so that is the best way to go. Just a little bit right on the tip there, all over the face, to make sure that I don't have that kind of sweaty, shiny feel to the skin. Okay, so that is done. Then the next one is going to be the liquid foundation primer. Well, the primer, whether it's liquid foundation or not, is the primer. That one too, just a little bit like anything, you prime everything that you're going to be doing. So you prime your face, you prime your lips, you prime your lashes to get this smooth, homogeneous feel, yeah, to the skin. So we're good. Then the next one is I'm going to be using as a base my deep CC cream. Okay, I just use just a little bit to give that kind of a base. I just put a little bit on the tip and apply it all over the face. People use the under eye corrector. Regardless, I use that sometimes, but the key is having a kind of a base to support the foundation. Just a teeny little bit, so we're good. The application is light. Again, just a little bit. I'll add just a little bit more to where I have much more pigmentation. That is it. Now, when I'm done, what I do is to set it, to make sure that it stays longer. I just use the finishing spray. There you go, finishing spray. Just to spray it a little bit, so that it stays, it gets it to have a long coverage, just to make sure that at least, even if you're not going anywhere, you want your makeup to stay a little bit. In the meantime, what I'm going to do is to use the lip primer to prime my lips. I have this tendency of having chapped lips, so while my face is drying, just to put a little bit on my lips. Then I go on with my liquid foundation. This is the 3D foundation matte skin. It's a matte, and this is the C160. Okay, C160. Again, on the tip, you can just rub it a little bit there, a little bit there, and I'll just blend it in. Just blend it in. Strokes to make sure that you don't wipe it off, but it's just making sure that the application is smooth. So what I do is, after this, I'm going to be using the blending brush. This is amazing. It does a wonderful job. It's got a soft bristle. Actually, it's got a tissue-like feel to it. So it really applies smoothly. Okay, you can see the difference. It doesn't push it away, it just blends it over. So nice. You ladies can see the difference. Yeah, very smooth and nice. And put a little bit more where you have the imperfections, the darker spots. Some people have it on their forehead, others have it on the side, around the cheekbones. Some people also have it where they have, blackheads. But I have mine just right on the corner, so you can already see the difference. Blending it in, so smooth, so nice, so natural looking, right? Don't you think so? Really simple and nice. I like that. It looks good. Yeah, okay. So that's what we're going to be doing. Then, while wait, I'm going to prime my eyes. This is the eye primer. Like I said, you need to prime every day. If you want to have the best effect, that's what you do. So I'm going to use just a tweet a little bit on the eyes, like that. Okay, very softly, not too much pressure. Okay, some people use this finger, the ring finger, but then it's a question of habit. Slowly, slowly, slowly. But I want the habits that I had. So it's easier for me. So just apply it very, very smooth and nice on the eye. Some people also apply a little bit under the eye this way, because depending on the kind of makeup you want to apply, you're just priming everywhere. These fashion futs, you have eye makeup everywhere around the eye. So that's it. Now these are the new colors that have just come up. Isn't that beautiful? This one is called the Foil Eyeshadow Duo. Okay, very, very beautiful. It's the pink and purple rose. Pink and purple. Yes, pink and purple. That's what it is. Beautiful. These are my colors, and they're shimmering a little bit. So I'll use the first one, which is this one, the pink one, like that. Light strokes this way. Okay, everywhere. Yeah. Oh, that is so beautiful. So nice. So refreshing. Okay, then the other eye. Just, slight application. Oh, I like me my pink. It is gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yeah. Ooh. You could even wear it by itself, right? This is so nice. See? It's subtle. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to change the brush. Then I'm going to use a different brush, and I'm going to use the purple in the crease, like that. Oh, already, don't you see the difference? Like that. Oh, I'm loving it. This is just, it really sets the pink. This is nice. See that? Oh my word. That's nice. So we're going to do the other eye. Like that. Just, in the crease, depending on the shape of your eye. With these things, you're adventurous. Try it. You don't like it, you don't do it. But this is wonderful. Yeah, like somebody would say, this is just fabulous. It really pops out the eyes. Sexy. You just work the eyes a little bit, there. Isn't that something? All right. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to use the next one, which is the Copper Pratt. Wow, it looks nice. See that? That is beautiful. I don't know whether you can see it properly. Yeah, this is it. So I'm going to use just a little bit to give contour. Eye. Yeah. Oh, that is just nice. Okay. Ooh. We are ready to go party, girls. Wow. See the reflection? This is something. Like I said, you always have to try it. If you're adventurous, you try it, you tweak it. Okay. Sorry guys, but I'm as blind as a bat, so I need to see what I'm doing here. Okay. Just add a little bit more. Look at that. Okay. This is so F colors. This is really, really cool. Okay. I am loving this. Okay. All right. So let's keep going. Now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to apply the eyeliner. I don't use the liquid eyeliner because the tip is too sharp and I have very, very sensitive eyes. So you just apply what you want, you know. The key is having the effect that you want. Now I'm going to dab it with a little bit of a color, just to give it a little bit of a shade. So I'm going to use this peacock blue. I like colors. That peacock blue over here, there, right there, just at the edge, just to give it a little bit of a kick. What do you think? So just a little bit here. Isn't that something? So quickly, then I'm going to use the lash primer. There it is. Then I apply this wonderful new Panorama. Yeah, Panorama mascara. It is just the bomb. You see the tip? The tip gives that elongated effect. Can you dig it? Look at that. Okay. I have very sensitive eyes, so I'm very careful. But hey, you just go for it. Look at that. You can see the difference already? Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah. Okay. So, another application. See that? That is beautiful. Okay. So, I'm just going to work the brows a little bit, like that, to groom it a little bit. You don't want your brows to be unruly because then it's difficult to shape it. Alright, so now I'm going to use the Precision Black Brown Brow. So like that. Just plug it in. See that? Draw a line. You just want to give some body. Just pluck it, pluck it, pluck it. You just bring it out a little bit here. Just play around with it, you know, whichever way you want it. And this way. See how it draws? You're just giving it the body it needs, and it's not too aggressive. It's just, you know, giving it the natural body. Of course, I mean, you can draw it, you can do whatever you want to do with it, but if you have lashes, see that? It gives it that kind of beautiful natural contours because I already have lashes. So you see that? Isn't that gorgeous? This is just beautiful. So that's it. Then I'm going to apply another coat, and that is going to be it. And last but not least, this gorgeous new, isn't this something? Lip gloss that just came out. See the tip? So like that. Just look at that. And the party begins. Don't you like this? This is just beautiful. So we are done. I'm just going to put a little bit of some, you know, translucent powder just to remove any shiny leftovers. This is simple. Pretty ladies, isn't it gorgeous? Okay, now let's take this off. Ooh. This is something. This is beautiful. I like this. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel. If you like this, share. Let me know your feedback. I count on it. And if there are any suggestions, anything that you need, just let me know. Thank you, and see you soon. Love you. Bye.